this is MCM. Roger. Hey, what I need you to do, I'm pulling back Lima 3 right now to mount up and go south, link up with the white platoon break. When we pull out of here, I need you to move MCM down to link up with the blue, the intersection by the River Road on the west break. He may be in a position where he's going to need some dismount scattered around where his tank is set up. So if you can get down there and link up with him when we all pull out of here, over.